Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a pretty quick and easy. I told you that I'd post some quick and easy here towards the end because I know it's getting close to Christmas and it is hard to get things done in a short period of time. So this one's pretty easy. I decided that you can do this super quickly by just like mass stamping, because the only part that's hard is the stamping part, and it's not hard, it's just a process, because you need 4 of these little houses, and I'll show you right here what I'm talking about. So this is the gingerbread house, and it's just so cute, and I've been wanting to share this for a while. It's called the Sweet Gingerbread, and I haven't had a chance to share it because there's been so many other things that I have been sharing, but isn't it so cute? I love this, and it's really easy to do. It's just the stamping that's going to take a little time, but I think this is something you can get like your kids to help you with. So this is what I'm sharing today, and I actually put some little, these are candy cane puffs, they call them, and I think I got these at Dollar General, but they're these right here. They're called Redbird candy puffs. They're like the ones that are peppermint, the soft ones, but these are cotton candy. And when I saw those, and I'm telling you all, these are so good. They smell just like cotton candy, and they taste just like it. I tasted one to see if it did. And I just put a little Happy Holidays tag on it on the top there. But this is what we're going to make. And I did a lot ahead of time, but I want to show you how to stamp the house, how I stamped it and everything. And it has dies and all that to cut it out, so it's really easy. All right, so what I'm using is the Sweet Gingerbread Bundle. This is still available, y'all. Look in the last chance PDF that I posted on my blog, because there's a lot of things that are going away. Some are up to 60% off. Just go check that out. I posted it on my blog about a week ago. Go down in the post and you'll be able to see it. And I may go ahead and post it again on this, because there's so much good stuff that's going to be gone, and it's while supply lasts only, so you need to grab these things. And this one is super adorable. So it's called Sweet Gingerbread, and this is the gingerbread house dies. I'm also going to use the stylish shapes, and that's just to cut out the little sentiment, and the sentiment is from the Vintage Christmas, and I'm using this Happy Holidays right here. These would be so cute for like your neighbors or at your table setting for Christmas. And this is on page 20 of the mini catalog. So look at how cute they used all these for. It's so cute. I almost made a little house. That was my first thought when I got this, is to make this house. And then I saw someone else do it, and I wanted to do something a little bit different. And I saw that it was in the catalog. All right, let's get started with it, because, like I said, there is a little bit of stamping here. So I'm just going to take some basic white, and the colors that I'm using for this are Soft Suede, Coastal Cabana, Petal Pink, and Crumb Cake. So we're going to stamp with the crumb cake first, and we're going to stamp the house. So what I did when I did this, I just stamped 4 at one time. So just do 4 at a time. It went really fast, actually. So, but I'm going to just show you the one, because I just want to show you, because I've already done the other ones ahead. So I didn't have to take them and cut them and all that. Oh, I need to do the little roof on here. All right, and then the soft suede we are going to use for around the windows. So just line those up. And then we are going to, I'm not going to do the little part here until we get the roof part on, and I'll show you why. It's just easier to line it up. We're going to do the door in Coastal Cabana. This door is so adorable too. I can think of so many other things to use this for too. So there's a little door, and we're going to use the Petal Pink for the windows and the gumdrop. Everything lines up really nice. And then I'm going to do one gumdrop because I want to cut that out too with my cut and emboss. Alright, so that's all of it until we get them cut out. And I'm going to use the dies for this. And we're going to use the house die here. I'm just going to line these all up, run them all through at the same time. And you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and stamp the little sentiment because we can run that through when we run this, and I have plenty of room on here. So I'm going to stamp that in the Coastal Cabana. Yeah. And when you get the little gumdrops, you have 3 little gumdrops you can cut out at one time. So that's really helpful too. Alright, so I'm going to use this little stylish shapes for around here. I'm going to grab another piece of mint tape here to hold that down so I can run these all through together. And then I'll show you how I put it all together. Alright, I'm going to run that through the cut and emboss. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the house. Here's our little gumdrop and our sentiments ready to go. And then I'm going to put this roof on the house there. So I'm going to use some wet glue. And we're just going to put that on there. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp with the soft suede, the little decorative part of the house. It's just easier to line it up. Just get it all together and then stamp that the last. But isn't it cute? And then I'm going to put a gumdrop right in the center here. So I'm just going to use some wet glue. Honestly, these go together very quickly. And then there's our little house. So we need 4 of those. So like I said, just do them all at one time and it'll go really fast. Alright, so I'm going to set that one apart so that we can put that on our bag when we get done. And I am going to go ahead and we are going to need a piece of 8.5 by 3.5, and I'm using crumb cake for this. This is for our box part. This part, y'all, is so easy. And I'm going to score it. So you're going to score it at the 8.5 inch side at 1/2, 2.5, 4.5, and 6.5. And then you're just going to turn it on the 3.5 and you're going to score it at 2. And that is it for your box part. And it goes together super quick and easy. So here is we're going to cut that bottom part off because this is our glue tab right here. I'm going to cut into all of these. Just this 2-inch part at the bottom, or not 2-inch, this part is 1.5 inches, is going to be our bottom part. So make sure you cut at the right side or it won't work out. And I think this top part's 2 inches. Let me measure. Yeah, the top part here is 2 inches. Alright, that is it. Now I'll show you how quick this goes together. So you're just going to sharpen all these score marks. And I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus on our glue tab right here. And then you're just going to pull that up here, line that up. Put your inside pieces in and then add some more to the bottom. A super easy box. Alright, so now I have all of our little houses ready to go. Oh, I forgot to color in. I used a Stampin' Blend to color in this little heart here. Boy, everything is falling here on me. So you just need to color that little heart in there. I thought it was really cute colored in. Alright, so here's all 4 of them. And all you're going to do is glue these on. So I am going to use wet glue. And don't put it on the top because that's going to hang over, but you want to line it right up to the bottom. And then you're just going to go around each side. And when you put the houses on, make sure you just center them in the center part. And then I did one final thing, which you don't even have to do this if you don't want, but I'm really particular about some things. And I just took my snips, and on these little pieces in between, I snipped these off, just like this. And I actually snipped them from this side, because it's hard to get in with the chimney there. But just go around all the sides, and you can snip these all off. It's really easy to do. So they look like more like a house. I just like the look of that better than with them not there. Than with them there, I should say. All right, so I got these 3x6 Stampin' Up! Gusseted cellophane bags, which I don't think we carry these anymore. I'll look it up and I'll let you know in here. But these are really great for stuff like this. But you can find bags everywhere, these clear bags. And I'm just going to put some of these candy puffs in it. And it's so cute because I think they match this little box really cute. It's got the little pink and it's got the blue on it. And oh my gosh, when I take them out of this package, y'all, they smell so good. And usually I just put my bag in first and then I fill it with the candy. And then I'm going to scrunch this together. I'm going to grab my ribbon, which is my petal pink ribbon here, and they are calling it the soft polyester ribbon. It feels wonderful. And we're going to tie a bow. You can put a little twist tie on there first if you want. I usually just kind of squish it together and then we're going to tie a bow here. And I'm going to grab my sentiment that we have. Let's cut this. I could have put more candy in here. I didn't fill it like I did the other one. All right, so the sentiment I'm going to punch with my little 1/8 inch hole punch here. And I'm going to use some of my white baker's twine to tie it on. And we're just going to tie it around the top here. I tied a bow on this side too, but you can just knot it if you want. I'm going to make it small. Okay, so there you have it, all done and ready to go. These are so cute. They are so fun to make too, and I hope you enjoyed it. So that's it, everyone. If you need any supplies, here's the hostess code for December, and you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.